All right, let's get right into it. There's this platform making a ton of noise online, promising it can turn you into an AI pro who's actually earning money, and fast. It's called Tixu AI. But the big question on everyone's mind is pretty simple. Is this for real, or is it just a lot of hype?
So here it is. This is the massive claim that has everybody buzzing. Tixu's marketing says most users pull in over $2,000 in the first month. A promise that big, well, it deserves a serious look. So we decided to go full-on investigative mode to see what's really going on here.
Okay, before we dive into the reviews, the complaints, and all the juicy details, let's first get a handle on what Tixu AI actually is. How exactly do they claim they can get you to that $2,000 mark? What's the method behind the marketing?
What's really interesting about Tixu is that it's not just another online course you buy and forget about. They've set it up to be a whole ecosystem. So you're not just getting a bunch of video lessons, you're getting a platform that combines the learning with all the premium AI tools you need to actually practice your skills, all in one spot.
Their whole process seems pretty straightforward, laid out in 4 clear steps. You start with a quick quiz that gives you a personalized plan. Then you get these bite-sized lessons that are all about practical stuff. You get to practice with real-deal tools like ChatGPT and Claude right on the platform. And then, and this is the most important part, they actually teach you how to turn those skills into money by finding clients and pricing your work. They're really trying to connect the dots from learning to earning.
So that's the playbook they give you. But does it actually work when real people try it? Let's switch gears and talk about the user experience. We dug through Reddit, Trustpilot, you name it, to see what happens when the marketing promises meet the real world.
We found this quote from a Reddit user that, honestly, just nails it. It really gets to the core of what people seem to love about Tixu. For beginners who are just totally overwhelmed by AI, the real value here isn't some secret magic trick. It's the structure. The daily goals and the clear path, that's what keeps people going and helps them build real momentum. And when you start sifting through dozens and dozens of reviews, a really clear pattern starts to emerge. On the one hand, people rave about the structured path, how convenient it is to have everything in one place, and they say the customer support is super responsive. But on the other hand, if you're already pretty advanced with AI, you might find it a bit basic. And yeah, the marketing is definitely painting a best-case scenario. We also saw some grumblings about billing issues and refunds taking longer than people would like, so that's something to keep in mind. Okay, and this is where our investigation took a really sharp turn. We found 2 pieces of information that just seemed to completely contradict each other. And this, right here, is where the story gets super interesting. First, check this out. An absolutely stellar score on Trustpilot. We're talking 4.8 out of 5, based on more than 2,400 reviews. I mean, wow. In the world of online anything, a score that high is almost unheard of. It's a massive thumbs up from users and a huge sign of legitimacy. Case closed, right? That score seems to settle it. Well, not so fast. Because while the users are clearly happy, a very different, much darker picture emerges when you look at it from a technical security angle. And here it is. The security firm Griddensoft gives Tixu AI a trust score of just 39 out of 100. 39. They even classify it as a suspicious website. So what is going on? This is the central puzzle. How can a platform be so loved by the people using it, but get such a low, sketchy score from security experts? To figure this out, we have to look past the user reviews for a second and really dig into the technical reasons behind that low score. What are the security analysts seeing that the average user just isn't? First off, it's important to know what suspicious actually means here. According to Griddensoft, it's not like they found a single smoking gun. It's more about a collection of different factors, little red flags, that when you put them all together, suggest a higher risk for users. It's all about the website's digital footprint. So here's the thing. These red flags have nothing to do with the quality of the courses themselves. They're purely technical. Griddensoft says the site has been blacklisted by their own security service. The website itself is also really new, and security firms are always wary of new domains. And, maybe most importantly, the ownership of the website is hidden. They use a proxy service. Now, plenty of legit sites do this for privacy, but it's also a classic move that scam operations use to hide who's behind the curtain. It's this mix of factors that gives us this weird situation where the user experience tells one story and the technical analysis tells a completely different one. So let's try to put all this together. You've got these glowing user reviews on one side and some serious technical red flags on the other. How in the world are you supposed to make a decision? Well, let's break down who this platform is probably for and who should maybe stay away.
It looks like Tixu could be a really good fit if you're a beginner, you feel totally lost, and you just want a step-by-step plan with all the tools included. But you should probably skip it if you're already an AI expert, if you're looking for some magic button to print money with no effort, or, frankly, if you're just not comfortable with a newer company that still has something to prove.
And there's one last really crucial piece of the puzzle, the financial safety net. Tixu has a 30-day money-back guarantee. Now, there's a catch. You have to show you actually tried to follow the plan. But this policy really lowers the financial risk of giving it a shot, and honestly, it's a huge green flag. It shows the company actually believes in its own product. So, what's the final takeaway here? Tixu AI is in this fascinating gray area. It's loved by beginners who need structure, but it's flagged by security pros for being new and a bit mysterious. It really captures the core problem of this whole AI gold rush we're in. How do you balance the incredible promise of a new opportunity against the very real risks of something that's still unknown? And ultimately, that's a question only you can answer for yourself.